Hey YouTubers, good morning. I'm up bright and early because I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to make guava paste today. I found both of these at my mom's market where she lives at. Guava, Mexican guava, and ajicitos. Guava is a very healthy fruit. It has vitamin A, B, and C, iron, it has magnesium and potassium in it. This fruit can be found in many tropical islands like Cuba, Puerto Rico, and Dominican Republic. But the guava in Cuba is a different color. It's a pinkish. It's pink. The ones in Mexico are more white inside, like a white flesh inside. And now I'm going to just wash these. So I put the guava into boil, so they're almost ready. So the guava is finished cooking, so I'm going to strain it, and then I'm gonna mash it up and strain it through a strainer. I'm going to blend up the guava to make a paste, and then I'm going to strain the seeds. You get a consistency just like this. I'm going to pour it into a bowl now so that I can strain it. Okay, so we're going to strain the pulp into the strainer here, this colander. Okay, so now I'm going to pour this into this pot here. So I'm just going to put measure a cup. This is about a cup of sugar. Inside. And put this on medium low because you don't want it to burn. It's already turning like a pinkish color. At this point, I'm going to cover it because it's starting to get really, my stove is starting to get really messy. See all the guava on my stove? It's starting to get really messy, so I'll come back and check on it in a minute. So far it's turning a darker red, but I think this is going to be the color I'm going to get. I'm not going to get the dark red that you see when you I'm not lifting up this pot. The reason why I have it covered is because it's splattering all over the place, and I got burnt once already, so I think I'm going to put on some long sleeves until I finish. So this is the consistency that it is now, and this is the color that it's changed to. This red right here. So I'm just going to lower that. But that's it's not as red as I want it to be, but it's red enough. Okay, so I think it's about ready because now it's separating from the bottom of the pot and the sides. It's not really, when I stir it, it's starting to separate. So I think this is about the time to take it off the heat and put it in. But it got a pretty decent red. I like this color. It's not the color that, you know, like in the store, but it's still good enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a bowl now. I have to grease a bowl and then I'll put it in and then store it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to put a little oil in a bowl. I really didn't have that much guava because I made 3. I didn't eat them, rather. I made some juice this morning, so I used 3. So my the amount that I got from the guava is not a lot, so it's just enough. It's just enough to make maybe a small bowl of it. Let's see if I can. Yeah. So you cover it with the saran wrap and then you leave it in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Or until it sets. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me all day. I've done like 3 different recipes today. I made the guava juice, the guava paste, and the sofrito. So thank you. I appreciate you guys tuning in, watching my channel, and also subscribing. Please share my YouTube channel and my Facebook page with your family and friends. Okay, until next time, I'll see you again in my next video. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to take a little slice so that you can see the consistency. You see? Oh, this looks so delicious. I have to take a bite. Mmm, delicious. So now I'm just going to enjoy this with a cup of coffee. So this is it, guys. This is my guava and crackers, my coffee, and my extra guava paste for if my son comes over. I'll give him this piece. Because this has really been a pleasure, guys. Thank you for watching me go through the whole process. I appreciate you guys. All right, have a good day. God bless.